I bought a Polaris 2021 Troy Lee edition and want to install a heater, and I couldn't find much online about whether this would fit in it or not. This is a OEM heater. There's the part number, and if you look online and put all your specs in, it tells you that this unit won't fit. And I think it's because they have the Fosgate Stage 3 in there, and they're assuming that you're going to buy the amplifier and put it in there. And in the Pacific Northwest, I opt for heat over the, not the amplifier, but a subwoofer. And so I'm gonna see if this will fit in. Couldn't find anything online, so I thought maybe this would be helpful to somebody. So that's the part number, and we're gonna see if it fits into the 2021, even though the website says no. Okay, so this is not gonna be a full install video. There's plenty of videos on how to install the heater. But like I said, there's nothing online that I saw that says the Troy Lee edition can accept the OEM heater. And I open up the dash, and as you can see, there's plenty of room in here. There's even the cutout for the heater. And it looks like those are the two factory holes. So this one's got the Fosgate Stage 3 in it. So I think if it had a 4 or if it had the base, there would be something right in here. But as you can see, I'm wide open, so I'm going to continue the install. As you can see, it did fit, and it's in. One kind of nasty bit of it is this speaker down here. The Fosgate gets in the way when you're trying to install it. So I actually used a bottle jack to help me kind of move it into place. Not the greatest thing, but it did work. Otherwise, you'd have to take the entire fender off. There's a bolt behind here on this side that holds the speaker in, as well as on the front. And I just didn't want to take the entire fender off. So I just made it work, but it does fit. Somebody trying to do a better job than what I did probably would take the fender off.